everyone, I'm Kelly Gallagher, and we're here at IMTS 2024 at Siemens booth. We're here to show you how digital manufacturing helps to empower your company to work more efficiently. In the next stage, we explore project planning and management by connecting the entire ecosystem to Teamcenter, where the entire manufacturing plan is outlined for the process. Let's talk to our experts to learn more.
Hello and welcome to our project planning and management kiosk, our station. What we're going to show here is actually a continuous of the work that was done with the previous station, generative design. So we are at the stage where our customer, our engineer has their design at hand and they want to collaborate, they want to share it, and they want to find a suitable supplier in order to manufacture their needed part. So we are going to show you here in our part manufacturing end-to-end solution, we're going to show the various capabilities that our customer can use in order to fulfill their needed manufactured part. Okay, so we're going to show here how they can manage the part manufacturing entire end-to-end flow all in one place. We're going to show how our customer can optimize the in-house and external suppliers and long list of manufacturers that can produce the needed parts. In this station, we also show how our customer can save a lot of time from when they have the part at hand, the digital twin of the part at hand, and they need to connect to their needed suppliers in order to fulfill this order. Our customer can generate an order in the system, in the part manufacturing end-to-end, and then at the end select the supplier that will fulfill their order and manufacture their needed part in the example that you saw of a 3D printing or a CNC work. Any kind of technology is supported within our end-to-end solution. And last but not least, if our suppliers on the supplier end want to deepen their manufacturing capabilities, they can expand the solution into the next phase of the MES part, which will be the OpCenter X solution,